Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we are here with the Gosvor LiteVac G1. I'm so excited about this robot because it really can do it all. It's got really amazing modes that you're going to be able to choose all in your app for complete customized cleaning. We are talking, you can do a smart clean, you can do just the floor of your pool, you can do just the walls, and what's a really cool mode is periodic mode, which is going to allow you to really set it and forget it in your pool for a week at a time, and it'll do periodic cleanings, making sure that your pool always stays spotless. On top of that, I really love that in addition to the normal filter basket, this also has a really micro fine mesh filter that's going to help you with all the cloudiness in your pool and the algae. So you're going to have the cleanest water around, not only debris free, but also clarity of water. On top of that, it is super high value and it's crazy lightweight, so it's going to be even easier for you to use. Let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. So this is the Gosvor LiteVac G1. And what stands out right away is that it's designed to give you a full, thorough clean, but with a lightweight, super easy to use package. It's a 4-in-1 robotic pool cleaner, meaning it can handle floors, walls, waterline, and even shallow areas and steps. So ideally, this is going to replace multiple tools and a lot of manual effort. So let's be honest, a lot of pool robots either don't climb very well, they miss spots, or they just don't have strong enough suction. So you end up going back in after they're done anyway. And at that point, it's like, what is the point of having a robot? However, this one is designed to solve that by focusing on power, coverage, and smarter navigation, all while being easy, accessible, and lightweight. So let's talk first about performance. The LiteVac delivers up to 3,960 gallons per hour of suction, which is seriously strong for a cordless unit. That means it can pick up things like leaves, hair, fine sand, dust, and even really small particles. It also has a double filtration system that captures debris as fine as 3 microns. So your water doesn't just look clean, it actually is clean. And this is where the 4-in-1 cleaning really comes into play. It's built to handle the pool floor, your vertical walls, the waterline, of course, and even shallow platforms above 12 inches. So if you have a shallow end or you have a sun deck, this is going to work, even in those shallower areas. It uses caterpillar-style treads, which give it better grip and climbing ability compared to standard wheels. It's also able to move more confidently across different surfaces and different angles without slipping or getting stuck. So think about your pool drains and things like that, no problemo. You also get dual roller brushes that are about 260 millimeters wide, so that way they cover more surface area with each and every pass. This translates into faster cleaning, better scrubbing, and of course, fewer missed spots. It's not just vacuuming, it's actively scrubbing and lifting debris as it goes. Now let's talk about how it actually moves through your pool. This uses intelligent path planning, including a cross-pattern cleaning system that helps maximize coverage, especially on your flat surfaces. And great news, it adapts to different pool shapes. Whether you have a curved pool, it will move in a certain shape. If you have a bowl-shaped pool, it will move in that shape. If you have more complex designs, no problem. So instead of randomly just bouncing around, it's actually following an optimized cleaning route for your particular pool to make sure that you get the most efficient clean. Battery life is another big plus here. You're getting up to 200 minutes of runtime depending on the mode you use, and it can handle pools up to about 2,153 square feet in a single cycle. That is more than enough for most backyard pools. So you're not just constantly pulling it out to recharge mid-clean. One of my favorite things about this is how easy it is to handle. It weighs just 15.2 pounds. That's super light for a pool robot, believe me. It also has quick drainage, so when you pull it out of the water, it's not going to be heavy and awkward.
Plus, it's got a top load filter basket, which makes it easy to just lift that right out and clean it out. No complicated disassembly, no flipping the robot over, etc. You also get nice little quality of life features. It's got color LED light indicators on the unit, so then you can see its status, battery level, what it's doing, etc. It's built with IPX8 rated waterproof materials, so that way it's designed to obviously handle long-term underwater use and charging, etc. without any issues. There's also a companion app, of course, that lets you customize how it cleans right from the palm of your hand. You can choose different modes: wall, floor, smart mode, eco mode, and periodic mode, which is really cool. So that way you can just leave this in your pool and it will clean for 45 minutes every 48 hours for up to a week. So whether you want a quick maintenance clean, a deep full pool clean, you can just adjust it all based on what your pool needs. You can even tweak the navigation, again, those smart intelligent path plans, and access settings for steps and platforms.
So folks, now is the fun part. We're gonna check out what we have in our filter basket. So for this clean, I honestly thought my pool was pretty clean, so we kept in the inner fine mesh filter. If it's like the first clean of the season, you're gonna want to take that out and just use the outer basket. But for today, we did both, and check out everything it got. That is so much sand. Like, look at all the sand. I didn't even know that there was sand in the bottom of my pool, but I'm so glad it's not in there anymore, damaging the filters and just honestly kind of being gross. There's things like strings, leaves, even some sequins that is questionable. We've got a lot of hair, a lot of gross stuff all throughout here. And the fun thing is it's going to be so easy to clean this out. All I'm gonna have to do is take a hose and spray it out. Very, very easy. And because this is a larger filter basket, this is designed to last you up to a week in those periodic cleanings, so you don't have to worry about constantly changing everything out. With this filter, we can rinse it, and if we need to, we will scrub it by hand in case we've got a lot of that cloudy water and the algae on there. But for today, we are just going to rinse it out. Doesn't look too bad. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me and seeing everything about this incredible robot. This is a brand that we absolutely love, and let me tell you, as far as ease of use, this is absolutely incredible. You've got that app control. You've got periodic clean mode to where you can really set this and forget it. It's so easy to clean out. I absolutely love that ultra micro mesh cleaner, making sure that my pool is free of not only dirt, dust, debris, and leaves, but also the really small stuff, the algae, the cloudiness. It's never been better. So easy to use and so incredibly lightweight. This is a great value and something that is going to save you so much time and money. I absolutely love this. I think you're gonna love it as well. Go ahead, you guys, check it out. I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description below. Go ahead and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.